All right, so I recently got a couple new pickups that I got from the Nike employee store, as well as some gifts and I don't know, just a couple other random places. So I figured I'd show you guys just a haul video. I haven't done one of these in a while. Let's go ahead and get into it. Hey, what is going on, guys? Hess here. Hopefully you're having a good day out there. Thank you guys for stopping by and watching. If you guys are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. In this video, I just wanted to show you guys some random pickups that I got. I will be doing some individual videos on some of these, so expect to see that on the channel. But we'll start off over here. This is a pair that I picked up from StockX. When I went to Vegas, I was actually looking at the UN, and I almost picked these up over there. But then I looked on StockX real quick, and I was like, you know what? I found them cheaper on StockX. I put in a low bid, like 165 bucks, and I hit on a pair of them. I finally got them, and this is the Patina Air Jordan 1s. I think that's how you say it. I don't really even know. Patina, I know Patina is like the bronzing sort of feel. Any which way, I have a video on these that I'll be working on because I feel like this is one of the sleeper pairs of Air Jordan 1s that are recently released. And especially since I get them like right around retail with all fees included. But I think this colorway is super fire. It's been one that I've been after since they dropped. I've been trying to hit them on every restock and missed out on every one of them. Really, really nice quality materials on here for what you get. I don't think some people like the tongue on them, but I mean, telling you guys, these are really, really good. So expect a video on those. I'll be talking about those in the future. Really, really nice pair. And again, I got them close to retail, so I can't complain. I'll put a link up to eBay to buy these if you guys are interested in picking up a pair. And I'll try to put links up to all of the products that I'm showing you guys in this video as well. I got a couple pairs of socks sent over from Seth's brand, Apothecary. Really, really dope patterns on here. I've been using some of these in a lot of my videos as well on feet. So I appreciate Seth and Oz for sending these over to me because I think the colorways that they're bringing out are fire. Anyway, moving on to the next, and this is a Patta pair right here. Patta. I don't know how to say it, but we have this guy right here. And so this is the Rush Maroon colorway of the Air Max 1. Third installment out of the 4, I guess. They're having a black and white colorway as well. I ended up putting the little bracelet in the laces. Probably looks a little bit lame, but I kind of liked it. But this is a really nice looking colorway. Definitely one for fall. Check this out. It matches the socks too right here. But I haven't done a review on these ones yet. I just got them in. I've just been really swamped for the holiday stuff that I haven't been able to get individual videos done. So I'm just kind of showing you guys all of them at once. This is a pair that I got from the Nike employee store. So this is a new model to myself. Been out for a little bit, but this is the Nike Crater Impact, and the retail on these are only 100 bucks, so I got them from the employee store, which is 40% off, so $60. This is a black colorway. Honestly, you can find these on Nike for close to this price anyway. Yeah, I wanted to give these a try and see if they're worth buying. Initial impressions, not very comfortable at all. Any which way, I will be doing a video on these coming up soon. Have you guys tried the Impacts as well? Drop a comment, let me know if you guys like them or not. And to be fair, some people don't really want like a soft, squishy feel on the bottom of their feet. If they don't want that, this might be a good option for you guys. But for me, I like that soft, squishy feel. This is another one I got from the Nike employee store. Nike Blazer Mid 77 Jumbo. Man, and here we have it. This is another one I can't wait to do a video review on for you guys. I've been actually looking for this colorway for a little while. Haven't seen it online. They sold out, and then saw these at the employee store. And luckily, they had a full-size run, so I picked up a pair for myself. Love the rugged outsole. The exaggerated swoosh is ridiculous. One thing that I really do like, though, is this back collar right here, how it's like an elastic band. You have the raw edge on the tongue with a little utility pull tab here. It's just a different kind of a new variance to the Nike Blazers, and it's definitely something I enjoy and I liked. So I'll be doing a comparison between this and the other pair that I have, like the regrinded version, and then the off-whites as well, because I do have the original off-white pair. So, but this is a pretty fun one. Box price is only 110 bucks, so not too terrible over there. Moving on, I got a care package from Pharrell Adidas Human Race. Really crazy, man. It's always fun to be able to get some love from over there. But check out these crazy, vibrant yellow pair right here. This is insane. This is a Cichiona pair, and it comes with the bubblegum laces here. You have like a really bright orange tag, and on the reverse side it's green, and then you have the blue hit right here for the Human Race. So it covers a whole bunch of range of different colors on the shoe, even though obviously the main focus is that crazy yellow, which is kind of fun because normally this crazy color is like the accent color, and in this case it's the main thing, and then they have different colors of accent colors. Very vibrant, very colorful, and I think these things look really wild. Thank you to Adidas, Pharrell, Mimi, everybody that is part of the team over there that seeds these out. Appreciate y'all for sending me a pair over. I haven't got a chance to do like a video on these or not, but if you guys want to see a dedicated video to these, leave a comment and let me know. Next up, we got a care package from APL, which is really, really dope. This is actually something that I asked for specifically. I don't do that very often, but I have something in mind that I'm working on in the future that I wanted to have these for that video. So I'm going to be doing a slide comparison video, and I saw these are on their website. I do have the other versions that they have, the big logos that are $100, which are really nice slides. I actually really enjoy them. But this is $175 for these, but they have the quilted leather on the footbed as well as over top of the strap. These things are wild looking, really, really nice. I guess it made Oprah's favorite things list, so these things are flying off the shelves like crazy. I wanted a triple black colorway, but they actually sold out of them. So I ended up getting this colorway instead, which has the black and then the white, which I really like the contrast of this one. But these actually came with some free socks also. Anyway, thank you, Samantha APL, for sending these over to me. Much appreciated. I cannot wait to get that slide video up because these are definitely going to be featured in that video. So stay tuned to the channel, subscribe if you guys want to see the content that's coming to you guys in the weeks to come. Next up is a pair that I already did a video review on, but one that I just got recently as well. This is a pair that I got from the Nike employee store as well, luckily. I actually bought a pair at retail and then they had them in the employee store, so I sent one pair back and then I got the pair for a little bit less than retail. These things are wild and crazy, man. The traction, absolutely bonkers on these things. Definitely a really crazy pair of Gore-Tex sneakers. Really like the overall fit and feel of those shoes. There's a couple things that I didn't like about them that I discussed in the review. If you guys haven't seen it, again, go check it out. So this is a pair of ALDs, or a million doors. I always say a million doors because a million door, it feels like a million door. I feel like we're starting, is that a trend or not? A million doors, this is the name of the company. I hit on a raffle on these things, which was cool. I can't believe I hit on a raffle. And this is that poopy brown color with the forest green on it. Not a fan favorite. A lot of people were really not liking this one. The other one kind of had that Skeletor vibes on it with the cream and the purple and black. In hand, this colorway looks pretty good though. The materials are definitely nice, but the price point is a little bit steep at that $200+ price point. Any which way, still happy that I hit on a raffle. Didn't expect to do it, but I will have a follow-up video on those. Definitely can't wait to show you guys that because I think it's an underappreciated shoe. Speaking of underappreciated, just kidding, maybe overappreciated, we have the Air Jordan 11 Cool Grays. We have the Air Jordan 11 Cool Grays. I got these for my son. I showed these to Harrison and he was just like, oh, cool, thanks. I didn't even want to try them on. I was just like, oh man. I got him a half size big so he can fit into them eventually. But Papa has got his pair as well. So I got one for Harrison, one for myself. Lucked out on that early release from Sneakers and hit on a pair, which I'm super stoked about. Like, this is just one of those things where, like, sometimes, you know, you luck out and sometimes you don't, and I feel like I lucked out and got them. It sounds like there's going to be like a million pairs of these though, so hopefully you guys will be able to hit on a pair if you guys are looking. I have to say, in hand, the quality is actually pretty good. I would have not expected to say that considering they're making these in like a mass production sort of way. I will say personally though, I'm probably one of the few people that like the non-OG shape, like the early 2000s shape of the Jordan 11 Retros. The newer Jordan 11 Retros, the shape of them, it just looks so dated to me just because they are shaped like the OGs. But regardless of that, I know people do love the OG vibes, and I think that these are going to be giving them the vibes that they want. So that's kind of what we have. This is just a general haul of randomness. Hopefully you guys found this video fun. If you guys did, drop a like on the video, please. And I will be doing detailed reviews on a lot of these again. So this is more like a preview of the stuff to come in the next week or two. But thank you guys for stopping by and watching. You guys mean a lot to me. Also, just so you guys know, I did some giveaways of these hoodies. I did 4 hoodie giveaways, 2 on YouTube, 1 on Twitter, 1 on Instagram, and I have the winners chosen and I have the hoodies done, and I have an updated video that I'm going to be showing you guys on how to ice dye, so be sure to tune in to the channel this week and I'll be showing you guys that video. Pretty fun. Let me know what you guys think about the results of all the ones I did for a lot of the other people out there. This is one of the trial and error hoodies that I did that didn't turn out right, and then I did it a second time and it actually worked out. So any which way, I'll come back to the channel and check that out. Hopefully you guys have a good rest of the day, and hopefully we'll see you back for some more videos. All right, peace guys.